So I have a lot of mail I need to open. What's up guys, I just got back to Japan literally this morning. It's still morning. And I had to ship a bunch of stuff from Korea to here to make the shipping easier, obviously, and cheaper. There's a lot of different stuff. I don't know why there's 3 MAKESTAR boxes. There's some fan sign stuff. There's a membership kit. That's all I remember. There's more fan sign stuff coming on the way, so that'll be a separate clip once that comes. The MAKESTAR stuff, I don't know, because I entered the the NouerA event where like you were guaranteed a fan call if you could buy it. Let's start with the smallest one. This is from CJ Entertainment. This is the ZB1 like Fanclub Kit. This will not open. Holy shit. Okay, I'm back with working scissors. I don't know why I signed up for the global membership. Just in case, because, you know, we're in modern times. Which, by the way, I'm filming this like middle of January, if that gives any context. So, I actually don't know what's in here. I think it's just like photos. Okay, so it says 3rd Zeros. Oh, it's in like a box. We're gonna ignore how many posters have fallen since I was gone. I was gone for 7 months, okay? They were bound to fall, and I just don't feel like putting them back up right now. That's a later problem. But yes, here's the 3rd Zeros kit. There's a keychain or something in here for sure. Oh! Okay, whoa. So, oh my god, this is so stinking cute. I could put my Zeroni in here. Whoa, there's 2 packs. What the fuck? Shut up, that is so cute. Hanbin. Cute. Oops. Here's my bias if Matthew. Tere. Ricky. Gibin. Ganuk. And Yushin. These are really thick. I thought that, is that not the same one? Oh no, it's different. Oh my god, this is so cute. So cute. I really like comments with the glasses. So this is what the only thing I thought that was in there was the photo set. Wait, this is so cute. This is making me sad. There's a little Polaroid. I'm gonna try not to cry. And then 49 photos. This is so cute. Oh, I hate you a lot. So bad. So that was the membership kit. I'm kind of curious what the MAKESTAR stuff is. I know, so from my music taste, I know it's when I tried for a mini fan call, I guess. So it's the first Dare to Crave album, not the repackage. There's 4 of them in here, I know that. MAKESTAR? I don't fucking know. I'll start with the small one, I guess. Oh, it's just what? Why is it separate? Oh, this, okay, I bought stuff from MAKESTAR for Black Friday. I forgot that was through MAKESTAR. So I have, ooh, 2 I thought the VICTON albums were very small. 2 VICTON albums and a 2S album. I did have a fan call with Miraku. Guys. Wait, no, this is, what the fuck? No, this, there's 6 of these. Why do I have 7? Huh? Does anyone want a NouerA album? Yup. Not my bias line, hello. And then the unit. Cute. Oh, stickers. Postcard. Another poster question mark? Maybe it's an individual one. It is. And it's being fun again. Oh, okay. Found it. So, oh, this is like the pobs. You get a set of the pob. There it is. Yuck. Okay, so here's my signed Miraku. So cute. And then here's the rest of them. Yeah. I like the band-aids, those are cute. Oh my god. Oh, I have 2 copies of it, I guess. Okay, after a million years, I finally got the wrapping off. So I guess this orange one is the sun version, and this is the moon version. I'll do the sun version first, since that's the one I already opened. Okay. Postcard. Ding dong. Hey. Wait, where are the photo cards? Am I dumb? This one didn't come with any. Okay. Ooh. This one's cute. Ooh. Kihyun looks really good this era. Got another big song. Yep. Are these the same ones I pulled before? Yeah, probably. Wait, this one's so cute. Being funny again. They must really know. They must know I like being funny, even though I got one with Miraku. Yeah. Now on to the moon version. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, of course. Let me guess. Oh no, it's Miraku. I don't think I got one of his for the other version. The stickers. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. I really like the unit cards. Who would have fucking thought? Ooh, okay. Oh, I already looked. Whoops. Did I not get the same one? Oh wait, I forgot to take them out. Wait, is this not the exact same one I pulled? The other one? Yeah. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, I think this is the first Lynn poster. Okay. Ooh. It's for me, yeah. Yeah. Is that the same one I got before? Oh wait, I didn't pull them yet. Yeah. For the Black Friday albums, I forget how much I paid, but it was really cheap. So I got one of each Chronograph album. Ooh, that's kind of cool. It's a clock. It's a little bent. Maybe that's why it was on sale. Honestly, I don't really have a bias. I really like all of them except for a certain someone. That's why I got two. Ooh, it's a box. Wait, that's cool. I like that. Actually, I got this because I had just watched Peach Trap at the time, so I really like Subin. But I do like all of them. There's a little... Oh, one of three. You need 3 of them? Damn. What's the third one? Whatever. I saw the name on this one. He's so cute. Ooh, okay. Oh, there's another photo card in here. Wow, I almost missed that. I didn't see who the other one was, but hello. See, I knew I should have gotten it, you know? I've never bought a VICTON album, so I was really excited. Wait, the CD is really cool. It's like the gears in the clock. Wait, that's sick. And then the black one, or blue? I don't know. Ooh, this one's different. Oh, and it's not completely a clock. It's like the inside. Oh, this one's a little... It's got some bits on it. Is that your joke? This is for me. Big wins today, big wins. Thanks, you. I was him for our What I Said cover, so I'm glad I could finally have a photo card of him. Zoom it again. Wait, it's not the same one because it's a different version. Zoom it again. Oh my god. You're so cute, shut up. Last for this bit is the 2S Summer Beat album. I do have this album and not this version, so I bought it. Cute. It's a sticker, I think. Cute. It's only one photo card, and I see who it is. You're so baby in this, hello. It only comes with one photo card? Oh, Hybe. Wait, but this is cute. This is so cute. Okay. Jomo. I never pull Songmin. Wait, so cute. Alan. Yeah, period. I never pull those 3, so that's my phone. So I have at least one of every version, which is nice. I guess we'll do the main one first. I don't remember which version's which. Ooh, cute. Another sticker. This random poster. Oh, no. It's all... That's cute. Oh, that's so cute. Sorry, Anna. Why is there like stuff coming off of it, bruh? Starship, I swear to God. Ooh, the stickers are different. Ooh, I like this one a lot. Same one. Right. Kind of want to do the egg one. Egg. More stickers. Egg. Oh, I saw him. I'm getting so much Songmin. I'm so happy. What? Yo, that's crazy. Wow. And then there's this one. Cute. Here's one. Why do they put them on separate pages, bro? They really make you look for it. Oh, there it is. I don't think I saw what it was. Cute. Aww. I'm getting a lot of serum. Damn. Anna, get your man. Why am I pulling my friends' biases, y'all? And that's everything until I get my Soundwave albums. I have 5 more CRAVITY albums coming, so cut to it here. So I never got a shipping notification from Soundwave, but I just got my signed CRAVITY album. So I got 5 of them. Here's the signed one. I'm so scared. Signed. New photo card. He might have written it to my full name, Loki. Okay. Ooh, got Purple Island. I have 2 recordings going on right now. Yup. Oh my god. Where is it? I'm so scared. Ah! Oh, I don't know what this says, bro. I had a bit of an intermission, but basically this says, it's like fate that we met again in Japan, talking about KCON Japan, because I showed him the video where I saw him there. Thank you for coming to me. I don't know what he meant by this. He said, like, let's, like, do another stage together, which I don't know what he means by, like, another, or, like, more. What? And then, like, thank you for waiting so long, like, late at night for me. So, thank you, Minnie. Now I'm gonna open the rest of them. Okay, I finally took all the plastic wrap off of them. Let's just speed run, I guess. That's how this was. Yeah, period. At least it's hoping for some variety. I'm scared it's gonna be a lot of dupes, but I guess there's only one. Hello? Wait, there should be... Period. I pull him every fucking time. There's only one version though, so there's a possibility of a lot of dupes. Oh wait, the poster's outlet again. Minis again. If anyone wants some Minis photo card. And Woobin again. Oh, these better not all have the same thing. Oh no. Oh, okay. Is it gonna be Hyungjoon again? Yep. Right, anyways, that's that. What's up, chat? I thought I was gonna end the video there, but I just got my Everline package because I tried for an ARrC fan call, specifically Andy, and I didn't win. So now I have these albums to open. By the way, I got a straight perm between the last clip and now. I only got 4 of them. I keep like lowballing these fan calls, but whatever. I have several ARrC albums, but never once have I pulled Andy. I don't even have any albums from before he joined the group. So all my albums are after he joined. I am a debut stan, by the way. But yeah, I pulled everyone but him. So if I don't pull him again, I'm gonna be really, really upset. Okay, there are like these tiny, tiny little platform albums. Ooh, there's a pop.
Hello?
See, like, there's no shot that I don't get him. Oh my god, I didn't know it was the one. So wait, that's so cute. Oh my god, I never pulled it. Okay, my bias line is obviously Andy, and then Lyoto, and like Trehan. Yeah. So we're already doing good. Oh my god, Noah! Happy late birthday. Oh, Kian, so cute. I'm so happy. So it's 2 of each version. It's the Control and the Alt version. I don't know which is which. Let's do this one first. I don't want to rip the packaging. Okay, so there's 3 cards. One is the QR code. Oops, it's upside down. Guys. Oh my god. This is so good. Oh my god, I keep doing it upside down. Is that Kian? Yeah, cute. I pull him a lot. I pull him like every single time. Oh, this is just a group. Okay. We'll do this one next. We'll look at the group one first. Ooh, they look so good. I really like this concept a lot. Okay. Oh my god, is that Trehan again? Is that who I think it is? Thank god. Oh my god. We still need Andy for this version. Guys, I don't know what my luck with Andy is recently. If you like follow me on Instagram, you'll see I even like posted it on TikTok. But like He knows who I am, guys. Like, I'm not even saying that in a delusional way. He deadass knows who I am. Like, it's kind of crazy.
And I don't know if you saw my awesome cover, but if you did, I hope you liked it. Is it the one that you posted on Weverse? I still remember when you danced New Kids, like that ate.
It's a whole saga on Weverse, but so mission accomplished, I guess. Oh my god, Noah! He looks so cute. Okay, still need Hyunmin and Jimin. I'd be really surprised if they don't come up. Oh my god, Jimin! If this next one's Hyunmin, that'd be crazy. Oh, Ryoto! Is this one I already... No. It was the other version, right? No, I didn't pull him at all. It was the Pog. So I pulled everyone but Hyunmin. But that's kind of crazy. Got Andy both times. Thank you. Oh, this is so worth it. Okay. Anyway, stan ARrC. I love you, Andy. Bye.